Hello everyone, today we are going to demonstrate how to copy and paste files between different projects. Right now, the project we have opened is an empty one. There are no files inside. If we want to bring in file from another project, the process is actually very simple. First, go to the project manager on the left-hand side and click on All Objects. Here, you'll see a list of all the projects under your account. Next, double-click on the target project, the one that already contains files. This will open a new tab and display that project separately. Now, just select the content you want to copy and use the shortcut Ctrl+C. Keep in mind, if you have multiple files, you can select them all and copy them at once. After that, switch back to the original project, in this case, our empty one. Press Ctrl+V to paste, and the system will prompt you to place the content. Simply click to confirm, and the file will import into the current project. And that's it, we have successfully completed a cross-project file copy. The whole process is very straightforward, with no need for complicated export or import steps. Just by using copy and paste, you can quickly reuse existing design in your projects, making the workflow much more efficient.